This unicorn flash twinkle topper is seriously everything, and you can only get it in the May charm box. Hey besties! So as you could see from the title, we are doing an unboxing of Daily Charms May 2024 charm box. I absolutely love their charm boxes, and if you have not tried them, I would highly recommend it. They are worth every single penny. So if you do the subscription, they are only $49 every 2 months. But if you are just buying the charm box every couple months when they come out, they are $59. So we do have this cute little insert card that they always include with some inspo that you can do with items in the charm box, which I love. Absolutely love. And you get a little discount code. And on the back side, it goes over everything that is included in the charm box, gives you a price breakdown, and it also lets you know if the items are limited to the charm box only, or if you can purchase it on the website. So some of these items you can only get by purchasing the charm box. So the first item is these super cute dazzling star stickers. These are a new item and are $5. And these, oh my goodness, the Celestial Zodiac, which is also a new item and available for $7.50 on the website. I love these. Absolutely obsessed with the Zodiac ones. Then we have some very cute starry unicorn stickers. These are also new and available on the website for $7.50. And here is just a better, kind of closer up look at them without the packaging on. Look at how cute the Zodiac ones are. I love those ones. And the unicorn ones, of course. These are so freaking cute. I love the hollow shift. Super cute. Then we got a star stud bender. This is limited to the charm box only and has a value of $5. What's funny is I really needed this, and I had just purchased one on Temu, and then I got one in my charm box. I'm like, what are the odds? Literally, like, I just unboxed it the other day. Super funny. Then the next item is a twinkle blue mix of crystal rhinestones. Their glass rhinestones are so freaking pretty. Look at that mix. I love that some of them give off like that green reflect. So pretty. And those are a new item with a $12 value. These though, the Aurora glass film, whew! These are so freaking pretty and are limited to the charm box only with a $9 value. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I love the colors. I love the super bright. But that one on the far left, just a very unique film. I'm very excited to use those. And you can cut them up or crinkle them. Then we got these super cute Aurora Hollow foils. These are also limited to the charm box only with a $9 value. Look how pretty. I love the iridescent foils because you can use like any color gel under them and it just gives it such a cool effect. I am super excited to use these ones. Love a good foil. Then we got the Moonlight Crystal Box. This is limited to the charm box only and has a $7 value. Look at how pretty those rhinestones are. I love that blue shift. Ooh, and look at this cool little magnet pin I got for my caviar beads. The magnet pin did not come in the charm box. That was in my sister nail mail from Cheddar. Miss Flawlessly Unique Nails. I do have a video coming for that too. Then we got this super cute dreamy pastel nail stand. This is limited to the charm box and has a $10 value. And I do want to say thank you to everyone for being patient with me. I know I took a couple days off from uploading, but my 20-year-old boy moved back up here with us from Oregon. So we were just kind of adjusting to that, but I am so excited to have him back home and with us. We really, really did miss him while he was down there. So yeah, it's my exciting news for the week. But isn't this nail stand cute? I love that the stand part that holds the nails are smaller too. So like when you put your pinky nail on there, with the normal ones, when you put your pinky nail on, it's just too big. It's always sticking out the side, so really appreciate that. And then I got this super cute purple scrunchie, which is a bonus item. They do throw in some little bonus goodies in the charm box, and this has a $3 value. Then we got some Star and Moon cubic zirconium bling, some little charms. And these are new and are available on the website for $6. Aren't they pretty? I love these. Definitely be sparkling. Then we got these little mystical moon studs. So these are just little metal pieces. You could use that bender tool for it, and those have a $450 value. Then we got some bonus pearls. Those also have a $4.50 value. Then we have these little colorful sparkles, which do glow in the dark. Super cute. And then we have some black hollow glitter and some iridescent star glitter. That iridescent star glitter does glow in the dark. It's kind of hard to see, but it does have that blue glow. Super freaking pretty. And then we are getting to the final items, which are the 2 charm gels that came in the box. These are both limited to the charm box only. The first one is SOOOO, and that is Rainbow Dash. It is a super pretty, it's like a milky blue, kind of like a jelly milky blue, but it's got really pretty little like rainbow glitters and iridescent glitters in it. Isn't that pretty? But that unicorn one, oh my gosh. The unicorn one is definitely my favorite. Not that I don't like this one, because this one is very pretty and I don't have anything like it. Look at that. And these do both have an $18 value each. But this one right here, G10, the unicorn flash twinkle topper. Look at that, you guys. I could not stop staring at this. This is one of the prettiest toppers that I have. Hands down, this is probably my new favorite topper. I freaking love it. I did an acrylic overlay on my toes and did little black Frenchies on them. And then I put this over the top of the black Frenchies, and it is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I am just seriously obsessed with this gel. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like over black too, because black will make a difference. I just love those like rainbow iridescent shifts, but then you got that like silver reflective flash gel that's very, very fine in there too. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They stole my heart with this one. This is so freaking pretty. Look at that. Oh man, I am definitely going to be using that gel. It is sad that it is only limited to the charm box, because what am I going to do when this one runs out? I really hope that this is a gel that they bring out eventually, because it is seriously, it is everything. I could not stop staring. So here is a once over of everything that I got in my charm box. But as I was looking at it, I felt like I was missing something. And sure enough, I was missing the gold and silver metal frame boxes, which were super cute. So I was a little bummed that I didn't get it in the box, but I was in one of their lives and mentioned it. They told me to reach out to support, had me send over a picture of everything, and they got the little gold and silver frames on the way to me, so they will be here hopefully within the next day or two. So those weren't included in here, but they are very, very cute. You can like fill them with glitter, all sorts of stuff. You can put like decals, stickers underneath them. I mean, you could fill them with like the thermal paints that change colors, all sorts of stuff. So I'll be excited to get them. But this is hands down probably one of my favorite charm boxes. I will leave what I can listed in the description for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!